I hope you can see Ranjita Sagu's question.
Ranjita Sagu, no, here it's not displaying.
Ranjita is asking, please explain the order management process in smart fulfillment.
Yeah, order management process is nothing but it's a different, a little bit different process in order processing. In normal Flipkart, you will do bulk order processing, but smart fulfillment you have to do one by one order processing. You will get different tab in same portal. There you can do inverting order processing and reporting everything. Okay, once you get a smart fulfillment tab, we will arrange you training, and we will share with you the training video as well as you can able to understand easily.
Mr. Rahul Kataria, we cannot tell you the cost because we are not selling the racks or printers to you. You will have to check. If you need recommendations, you can. We will be sharing an email ID. Mansoor, can we share the email ID?
Yeah, yeah, you can share the smart fulfillment underscore smart underscore fulfillment, the generic ID, you can share with us with them.
One
So
second. Smart.
smart underscore fulfillment at flipkart.com. I will share you the this one ID
Ha,
once again.
sure.
Yeah. Ranjita Sagu shares training is not yet arranged. Okay, if you pass the audit, definitely we will arrange the training. Okay, let me check when you pass the audit. After we will contact you. Uh, Yeah, if there any support email they are asking, definitely we will share you the generic mail ID where you can contact only if seller support is not able to help you, then you can contact us. Okay, because each and every query we can't able to answer. So please first contact seller support. In case you are not getting resolution, then please contact us.
Mansoor, I've just sent you the email ID. Please check if it is the correct one.
Please, please. Yeah, this is one. This one only.
Thank you. Dear attendees, I am sending you all an email. Please check the chat section. That email ID will be visible to you. Use that email ID to reach out to our smart fulfillment team.
Okay. Can new seller within the 10 DRR? Okay, that's why I told you. If you are less than 10 DRR, you can part of my FA 2.0. We will contact you. Still, you are interested in smart fulfillment, please contact seller support. They will reach out to you.
There's a question.
Yes, barcode scanner is
Sorry, take it.
barcode scanner is mandatory here. Unable to see the email ID. Ria, they are not able to see the mail ID. They're asking that
In
mail
the
ID.
chat section, the email ID will be visible to you in the chat section. I'll read it once again.
Okay. Someone asking the Rabal Aurora is asking, please share the requirement once again. So, Riya, I think you can able to share the requirement, right?
Yes. Don't worry, we'll be sharing the recording of the session as well. So you can go through the recording if you have missed on that part, but I will show you once again. Give me a moment.
Uh, what is FSU 2.0? FSU for Smart 2. Sorry, FA 2.0 already explained like this is only for the low DRR sellers, which we are automated already. If you are eligible, definitely you will get the FA 2.0. nomination